Hello everyone, this is Mike from Kardag Automotive Services Lebanon. I received a new tool today, which is a cylinder pressure gauge from Autool company. So let's unpack it together and have a look at it. The box is really heavy duty, made out of plastic. Let's open it. We have the greeting card from Autool company, a user manual in English, and this is the tool itself. So it has a digital screen, the buttons, and it actually works with 4 AAA batteries. We will install it in a bit and have a look. And here we have the spark plug fittings, different kinds for different types of engines. So let's install the batteries together, which is pretty easy. You just have a bolt on the back side, you open it up, remove the cover, and install 4 AAA batteries. And let's turn it on. So as you can see, it has a digital display. It shows us the pressure on the top part of the screen, the average pressure, the temperature, the time. And the nice thing about this tool is that you can save up to 6 cylinders. Let's say you want to compare the pressure between each cylinder. It will be pretty easy. Let's go and have a try on a car. So we have a Mini Cooper S and 14 engine, and we're going to check the cylinder pressure together. As you can see, it takes few seconds to show us the accurate pressure. It's still going up. And we have 168.23 psi. So if you want to save the reading, you just have to press on the lock button. As you can see, it shows us cylinder 1 pressure. Now let's try the second pressure. We installed the gauge on the second cylinder, so let's read the pressure. Again, it takes few seconds to read the exact pressure. Let's see how much it will show us. Pretty much the same like the first cylinder, 169.10. We can also save it. So you can exactly see that cylinder 1 is 168.23 and cylinder 2 is 169.10, which is a pretty good pressure for a Mini Cooper engine. I would definitely recommend every mechanic to get this gauge, which makes your job easier to read the pressure on different engines.